I just got an order in today to make 8 of these, so I thought I'd make a video on how to batch make my face masks. Time to snip all the curves. Because I'm making so many of these masks, I won't be top stitching the lining. I'll just be sewing the seams to one side and secure them down with just one stitch along here. I will, however, be top stitching the front of the mask. Now we pin a man to a lining, putting right sides together, line up the seams, line up the notches, pin all around and repeat 8 times. At this point, I'm going to iron in the elastic pockets and then top stitch them all. Elastic time. And that's how you batch make my luxury linen face mask.